going to be a very difficult terrain for Obi Wabe so Manchester United. Looking at the mess Eduardo Marcos or club name. A bad name. But Abu, now me interested in a story be Audi Kaya about Jack Cancelo.
Yeah.
Say on the Manchester City bedin komo. No matter come before so bit man sort out issue ni na man ayede. Amana few Abu the biggest challenger Barcelona FAC with this particular kind of deal no. Ejina the offer mo dey akwa to Manchester City and the kra no. Amona the loan with an obligation to buy. Now obligation to buy no sikasem no na Manchester City hwedi a opese otoja Cancelo for 50 million euros. After so abolo na wi. Manchester City so hwe scan no money say from the do. Cancelo dey count the be 20 to 25 campo bana the adults can wa kebe dey. Kebe so mo dia mo. Na no na Barcelona for na to dia maboy no. Omo na wo dey ni gina se boy na na adwe say on Manchester City biem. Ana boy na ni Pep Guardiola ntem no. Nyoma said that end that yin emfa mo. It was a pianche boy no. Say boy na finding the way. No mu hunu ko mbefa so aside scan na offer na that table no so no. Manchester City be dey. Ebe compromise. Say anya 15 ni kwa no meba in 15 baby na so be agree a. No ma agree no aba. It Basa stepping aside as not stepping aside say on pe boy no. Menka sa ba Basa atwene wo agina nche say boy na nkasa ni City. And sort out that particular issue ni wie. No mundili na de be koso bia na koso yes can involve no Man City here from the do it abu de be on person here no mo correct no na eno na e ba be pem wo Harry Maguire situation no eno a ye di kan be ka say West Ham pushing Manchester United say be Manchester United be dey e be come ho ana but the wi ase no personal terms between West Ham and Harry Maguire akra na abu de bi omo ntimi man NCP na pay off no de etie nie Harry Maguire eje 190,000 pounds a week for Manchester United Ana West Ham here imagine so me offer 100,000 pounds a week ewo ho. Na ono na ano na ono ankasa nhede nsi na dream piece ono ankasa pese okọ West Ham ekosi akai because who ni say oda so your top player ne egos no sanete e na di ni si wo. Na ka ni 2 years ne contract be wu 2025 for Manchester United. It's 90,000 na ba beto so no. Manchester United needs a compromise on it for bare 1 year na bare 10 months. Ana no money maker. Sanko onye says kanana nko no nya honko na se onko je 100,000 ne yedai e wo West Ham na no mo kan ya ma ne kosi ze na onua so ndo no ko beje 10 million pounds ana Manchester United say betima ma 7 million pounds in that particular 2 years na aka no ye fa ne say 90,000 ne kwa na ye meet halfway because you can say multiply 90,000 by 24 months automatically we don't even multiply by 24 months e ka play an 1 year contract you can do with it and on naka say at least 1 year na aka no won say no onye dey on fanko but Harry Maguire baby odina na adwen so better so dey about 1 year ne say 2 years na aka no 1 year Manchester United calculate for 12 months no mo fa 90,000 e ma no ana Manchester United so hu ni say 90,000 is oye ne 10 kra na 9 million pounds e jo mo te so na ba be 7 million pounds Harry Maguire anye na nkonko na Harry Maguire so say scan no for na akoye kone bra West Ham so sika no kra no so no eno so mo nhye dan nyina yi ama Branton no betina next season so onu hu no say next season obenya more games about the Manchester United nyina say ohwemu a player bit say Rafa Varane normally is not fit but when it comes to these particular things at Manchester United no or a fit choice center back assistants because Victor Lindelof and Luke Shaw ebe deputize Lisandro Martinez Lindelof ebe deputize Rafael Varane in this particular setup unless a player bit say and Malathia injury no one chen then look show epra this be no come push Diego Dalot and na left back it's Harry Maguire position in the club no we are yet to see how obesity copy with such instance the fans don't want him the manager didn't want him on one eye and so better so as to how obet manage the atmosphere and everything in the club no it depends on him Itiabu Maguire is staying then we move on na Harry Maguire no anko West Ham na Budiabi West Ham eni abre so mo pe manfrapa so ama na ba be si akan dia momo ono ena na no pe omo ni di nkomo e wo Stuttgart se bibia be si na ba be si akan ama ne o makoyi by 11 a.m. there is going to be a flight from Brussels to London Romeo Lavia by 11 a.m. Abu dia metete fa Romeo Lavia si kasam wo Chelsea no Abu em say Chelsea for na a very good business
sound here family am kakra this kasam
say Romeo Lavia in a year no the salary no ba Chelsea no aye 1.3 million pounds
a year
come
out na saram to ono ra na ni sika asem no wo fom
pa
because of baby
ofi ba no and osha 108,000 and kakra guso for a month, which means boy nankasa no onje more than 30,000 pounds a month a week. Ewa Chelsea. And Chelsea amana ya aware say enya sade no obeje no in the 7+1 year contract no. The more oboko nanim no. Na the more askani bi be dey ebe kan. It is ready to come to Chelsea, and this is one particular part of the business at Chelsea. Yeah, I'm so impressed. And Abu, this is a scoop, and I believe say, and then by 11 a.m. flight from Brussels, eba be lande now. Oya medicals New Year, Chelsea be the official announcement. Say omatimi assign Romeo Lavia. Na sika 7 day, and the year demand pa. Now na Manchester City Jeremy Doku. The 18 and no pay personal terms have been agreed between Manchester City and Jeremy Doku for 5 years. Now, Abu, agree personal terms, no. City fa asiye di eko presente 42 million euros. Ede ma Rene. Ana Rene for na catch say 42 million euros there from kra. Omunye. Iti omu first kano enko no mu sambre biem. Omu hwenim say City next score de beba no ebe around 50 million euros for Jeremy Doku. No magic, no more brand tenko. West Ham ayo madwin so betia sie. Omu na ayo madwin say they will pay more than 50 million euros for Jeremy Doku. West Ham United. They are ready to pay more than 50 million euros for Jeremy Doku. But Abu Anakache West Ham say, Areba Koye, Liverpool, Caicedo, Chelsea, the Eribino. Utieska. Then so no na me day. Mepe Manchester City. The boy is ready. Na nipa say chira wo pushes ade no. Nipa ba ko Kevin De Bruyne.
Ono na she chi pushes.
Oya no friend Jeremy Doku.
We ni krom ni.
The krom ni.
Ba me am that Ghana so ye don so obe John pa. Then Romeo Lavia so ye Ghana.
Romeo Lavia so ye Ghana.
Na Jeremy Doku.
We
dey democratic ya.
What say ya no we say yes. It omo na meche na Abu Laporte there em say wenya kwa anesa. E kwa kopiem say de odi kanka wa ana say but there's this particular story am person hwe ni din. Michael Olise. We say Crystal Palace for ne bofu. The tie ne say ye tie ni ye power ha. Chelsea for ne fa chiri. Any boy ni dim komo pa deep. Ana boy na nkasa no wa free Chelsea Academy ho some time paying. So omunim ne family ni ye pa, they are very close. Omudin komo na boy ni bi omo asem kakra bi aka cho omo say me contract ni kwa masan wo ba bi a bibi tare wonom say eduru me bi say na mo de 35 million pounds bi ba. E was a Crystal Palace ti me gi no mo jai me na me ye den. Na me ko. Na Crystal Palace etis asem no omo no bo afu. Say as a Chelsea fa continue ase ada boy na ma boy na bie ni omo bi so ayeden atro mo kenya san kasika sem we die kan ko fa asem mi aba ti Chelsea fo no call Crystal Palace no omo ko no say ko negotiate o omo ko na omo say ye no abrante say ni say adi nkomo ye di nkomo ni wie no say an ye hu say o contract ni de o contract agency ni adi nkomo no it e discanaba monye na de se fata bia say wo say ye fa ho bia na ye na boy ne besi akamaye ana Crystal Palace ko paye. But no kura woman here say intokwa ekoso between Crystal Palace and Pennyfo bi and Chelsea Pennyfo bi. MP abonten. Ye free company bi Aris Management Group, omo investment company. Na sa investment company no omo 40% stake e Crystal Palace mu. Na recently ya ana Aris company from Pennyfo na dia tum say on person mu diska kwhye Chelsea bu. In England, you omre bi say untimi nya investment or one club mu aska na so kaka na san fan kwa another club mu abre specifically we go South London na we so West London omo pesa iti eba sana dis oja ba akoto ho na ba ye ba akono na na sisi ana Aris Management Group for na ready so ombe jai Crystal Palace ato 40% no na mu diska na kwa kwhye Chelsea ni de tia Chelsea so ani abre ehia so me raise an investment no it's not about omo players no omo to no omo raise investment because also mo refurbish omo stadium no mo use it right now in Stamford Bridge. No mo ankasa so pebu oba bifu no mo koye. No mo sa so hwe omo training grounds wo dwumade nyina no mo ye e Okoban. No mo sesa ne oma. Ehia an investment not less than 500 million pounds. It's Crystal Palace for no hwe ade a Chelsea for no ye na abufuo ni nyina free say mo kra nipa ono 40% stake we mu kra page ho aba. E no kra na yasomu nwe mo tete ye. Ye players so egitum ye sanke ma ne tena ya ke benya bo bi be 50 million assist na 70 that
SOMPA Sports
eno so amako rewrem the 35 ba intebufo ni nyina no
etokwa ni nyina no the winner bro said a confusion
bro said the city dream
okwa no wechi
oh
okay
it tokwa ni nyina na say che on de baba Olise ama Crystal Palace aya aware so be movie it Crystal Palace will need to sit down with Chelsea and make sure Ariana Kwakoye Nicolas Zasidi Bino pay a little bit above that release clause no. Then you have your man Hakim Ziyech, Galatasaray. What travel local Chelsea have no problem in terms of agreeing with Galatasaray. The biggest issue here say obe passing medical ana Yehu Anna said the ekosi. Yehu Paris Saint-Germain the ekosi. All Chelsea hope for. They say obetimi a passing the medicals. No akosi akadia. Lawrence Hall. Newcastle aboy Chelsea and no pay so mo pabranti we so be say aka from current any. Na kono nanka Newcastle pen for that particular left back position. Omudi to me say Dan Ben e dey cover Champions League and double league no. Ahwe mwaye. Na Lawrence Hall do no say net here omo penny. Current any the Amaso no say Arsenal permanent transfer. And a Newcastle so who say for FFP constraint intino. Komu penny loan na Arsenal see debi. It's Lawrence Hall no and Maba Chelsea want pay any proposal abeto Chelsea penny for him say ki here branch Chelsea where some of the never Newcastle loan no akosi aka but Domenico Berardi deal no so you quite bibi kakra the attorney said Domenico Berardi no Sassuolo for 25 million euros 25 million euros no masaka che Juventus him say Muniska it the ebe ya abo money say loan with an obligation to buy at the end of the season na no kra no mon sanfa between Sule any island emu ba akonya dey enka ho enfa no mra na leverage deal no na we hear story bi about Philip Kostic
yes
the enti omo pesa Philip Kostic ekono so omo to Domenico Berardi a Allegra na do so best send information from 352 to 343
yes
he wants an upfront of Berardi Chiesa any Vlahovic on pe Berardi ni Vlahovic ana mo isi skin ana se Timoria there be on pesa de no 343 sa 343 ne basa na Kostic won beka kakabuko pe Kostic in more advanced areas
yes.
in terms of attacking not necessarily about defending it or any mu say na wing back no bebo ne de kan de ka 343 ne basa na wo nya akonya mfa nko ani mu bebre you become a liability especially defending e basa Kostic position ni ni po bebo ho no ye be ha ni kakra ti ama Kostic ehun ni say so no so kwa e betimi aboa ba Berardi di no mo ka so mu ya island de Abu Dhabi Allegri quarters ya dream one we say na as small boy so born last season no
unya
akwakoye issue so Juventus will sit down with Sassuolo and then again to make sure Mitrovic 47 million pounds Fulham I imagine so may accept it ono so ebeko Al Hilal no akwakosi akande amamo already we spoken about Bonu 20 million euros is going and after their game with Manchester City no bibia be the daddy Marcos Acuna Aston Villa wants to sign him in place of Lucas Digne Saudi Arabia no so aba ho a almost so person of Acuna relèche the moment to play under Unai Emery again and making sure so betima wakopiem akosi akande ama Aston Villa in the English Premier League Nuno Tavares anopoya Abu Dhabi Nottingham Forest the debate aba former proposal omo de abeto Arsenal nim say yepe Nuno Tavares mufa Nuno Tavares man no mo the left back ma Arsenal nyan reply omo by the close of the day they are hoping say Arsenal will reply them Baleba, when the very replacement for Moises Caicedo, Abu, wait the kind of talent and quality of Kutano. Don't be surprised. Almost the 17 million euros plus 3 million euros call Leo Ho. Lola Tama Mama Pipanida to Bole Munko. Monyeska, Munko Fate Timbra. It is almost trend the next bit from Tima, your friend Brighton and Hove Albion. Charles Di Catalari, where the kind of story about doing his medicals. Then Ortega. Thomas Tuchel a town phone after Ortega and pay as a free Manchester City, Mr. Onebisi a kind of mammy. Na Abu when no man na me consider say David here said you hear the story no mark of finding about but there has been a personal conversation between Ortega and Thomas Tuchel to say you hear hurricane situation no so now you look at Ortega and you watch Ortega and Adrian say ne obako PM Manchester City by City no we need to find a price and betimenya compromise but Abu so much a story here quite confusing Berardi no Rafael Pimenta on a negotiated deal between on an intermediary between Inter Milan any Udini for Samazic. Na omo din komo na ma bibia sia ma boy na koye ne medicals wo Inter Milan. Owie na no papa. Eba no papa say onye convinced with the commission ni sikasem na piem o contract ni. Iti ye fra one particular agency bi TDS Sport. Omo na manage Jerome Boateng. Na Dirikan any di animu.
SOMPA Sport.
Na papa na catcher Rafael Pimenta said your ma discuss ni nyina no ontwam. No nkotena nchen. Na Dirikan nembe gina ho no nimbe ye intermediary no ni Inter Milan be din komo no mo starting negotiations for boy the commission this kasem na from the scratch
I don't know how Inter for na pala
ana Inter for say nkomo ye de awie da no na afi na mo sa de nyoma be share ko say sabe and Inter are beginning to lose hope because now Sensi during the preseason the performance no aso Inter Milan ani it is Samazic deal no papa no ana ma bibia kan na no pa ya wako training Abu Dhabi or you didn't or no quite personal training as to the baby you know any but it's quite confusing as to how some as it has turned out. Gabriel Vaiga 33 to 33 million euros no more the core no Celta Vigo prayer to baby there has been a new bid from Napoli on call for Gabriel Vaiga but more kind response from Celta Vigo say ene bibia betimi akoyi e de amamuti Abu Dhabi this morning no there me di besi e wa ha no